Men at work.
In this bit, aren't we?
On a fiddle.
What?
Said you're having a fiddle.
What's that mean, a fiddle? Let's push my shirt, is it? I've got a shirt on the side, Jack.
Sorry. Fridge full of beer, obviously. Guess whose bed's who? That's so funny. Beautiful. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
She was like that. I'm a hundred miles high. She never come down. Red dot.
Hello, this is Wayne Giles.
So tonight we've been to three pubs. We went to a chippy first, lovely chippy, and then we went to the first pub, nice pub, a little bit quiet, so we went to the second pub. Went to the second pub, again a little bit quiet, but we found out there was some entertainment at the third place that we've just come to. Now we've been here for 2 pints or 3 pints deep. We've had entertainment, probably the best singer this side of Humber Bridge, and we've loved it. And we're still here now, it's 12 o'clock at night. Thank you.
Fucking hell. Why did I get all shit jobs? Oh shit. Fucking hell, look at the state, mate.
You can't see anything, it's so dark.
Turn this off.
You squeeze it together.
You don't fucking know.
You squeeze it together.
Oh, what? With bag or without bag?
Oh, fuck.
Fucking hell, come on. Oh, fuck off. For fuck's sake.
Yeah, just
Right.
like that.
This is fucking hardest bit.
Your bed is because I'm struggling.
Struggling what?
Life. Fucking moth in a cocoon.
So, this is the first morning of the 2. So this morning, we all feel a little bit rough. Last night, we didn't get to sleep until 1:30. 1:30. I think we only had about 6 pints, but we went to various pubs. It was a good night. Good night. We ended up in one pub. To the first 2 were a little bit quiet, then we ended up going to the next pub and it was good. It was busy. But backtrack, before we went for food, before we went for drinks, we had a chippy. We all had bad sausage and chips and curry sauce. And then, yes, as I say, we did 2 pubs. They were a little bit quiet but good. Then we went to the third pub and it was bouncing. Came back here at about 12:30, had a can, went to sleep. So yeah, a little bit rough this morning, but I've had a shower, I feel good. The boys, they've just gone for a wash. Got the kettle on over there, gonna get the bacon on. By the time you know it, we're gonna be up a mountain. So, get up the mountain, die up the mountain, come down the mountain, go for a drink and talk about the mountain. Bob's your teapot. Have a good day.
Yeah, boy. Doing some morning yoga in the campsite.
Oh, I'm going to do some as well.
Preparation is key.
I'm just training.
Yeah.
Cheers, pint.
Cheers. Oh. Nice.
Sometimes rough is good.
Yeah, it can be.
Doncaster, I love Doncaster. There's some parts
Yeah.
that is rough as fuck. In the back of the car.
Liam, what's happening?
Hello.
It's very dark. Can you see your teeth? To bed.
We're going to bed.
It's night time. It's like 1:30. Brother is class. Morning campers. It's Sunday morning.
Morning.
Last night we went out in Bradder for big carnival night. There was a big band on. Well, not a big band, just a normal band.
But a normal size one.
Normal sized band, but it was busy. And we had a fun time.
Loads of pissed up locals.
Yeah. Had a good time. And came back and went to bed. Pretty boring, to be honest. Pretty tame. Just had a bacon sarnie and then we're going home. Sad. There's Macca. And Chelsea.
Good morning, everybody. There's a saying, I hope it tastes just as good. Because on several occasions, people have walked past me while I've been cooking my bacon and have said, ooh, that smells nice. So I reply, I hope it tastes just as good. Enjoy your day.
All done, all packed up.
Hey.
All packed up. I campsite. Macaboy. Who's this in this car here? Can't see him.